Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing a whole bunch of freebies. These are from all companies that send their products entirely for free. So down here we have Sample Source. I've talked about them before. Totally free. You just have to fill out some feedback afterwards. Smiley, I love them. You'll get picked for campaigns, and then you'll do a couple activities like maybe share on Facebook or Twitter, or write a review on a retailer's website. I have one package from them, and I have two packages from Buzz Agent, which is essentially the same thing as Smiley. They have changed a bit over the years. I'm more inclined to do things with Smiley just because I like their template. It's easier to use. Anyway, that doesn't matter. We're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about stuff. What's in these? I don't even remember. I think one is razors. I'm pretty sure one of these is razors. So this is all free. Like, these aren't like subscriptions. They're just freebies. I love it. I might review some of these products. I might not. Sometimes I don't. I review them on like the retailer's website and whatnot. Whatever they require of me. Okay. So here's our kit. Woohoo, it's here. Oh, so this is actually, oh my gosh. So the pollen right now, I don't have allergies. Penelope has awful allergies. Like seasonal. So we have a save $3 coupons in here for children's Claritin. The pollen right now, and she's always in our tree out back climbing it, so it makes it really bad. So she has been so congested and just full of like coughs, really productive coughs. So we have a children's Claritin allergy. This is the grape flavored syrup. And then there's also the chewables. There's 10 chewable tablets in here. These are bubblegum flavored. So that's really cool. I can't actually wait to use those. See how they work. All right. Next we've got, that was from Buzz Agent. I'm going to link down below to my reviewer page. I've gotten so many questions over the years, like, how did you start? How did you start doing this? I started with these companies. This is where it just went from there. So I'll link you guys to my reviewer page so that you can read over that and kind of see the different companies that I suggest starting out with. Like Influencer. I'm sure most of you guys have heard of them. If not, Influencer sends out it's like a subscription box. It's called a Vox box. I haven't gotten one in a long time because they send out now. It's very much like they have all these things that virtual Vox boxes, which means you don't actually get anything. You have to like go to stores and take pictures, which I'm not really, I'm not really keen on that, but if maybe you are and you can get free stuff for doing it. I just prefer to review the product, It's just, that's what I like to do. I don't like to go to the store. It's the reason I have all this stuff sent to my house. I have 4 kids. But they do send out boxes though, and you do eventually get chosen for one. So if you're interested in Influencer, it is a great option. I'm not saying anything bad about them. So this is the Bic Soleil Balance. Ooh, this looks really nice actually. Look at the moisturizing pads. I think that's what they're called. Moisture bars with shea butter. Glides for soothing shave. Ooh, and there's 2 in here. I wonder what it smells like. I always wonder. I have really sensitive skin, so. It's time to get your shave on. Follow the simple steps below. Okay, it's different. All right, I cut my finger the other day and it hurts, guys. Okay, this is, I don't know what this is. It's from Buzz Agent though. I remember what this is. This is a beauty product. I think I'm gonna be reviewing this for you guys. This is such a cool idea. This is Beauty Guard. It is a lash and brow shampoo, okay? This is awesome because I have sensitive skin. And when I wear makeup, this is easy to get off. This is like rubbing my eyes. I get so red and so irritated. It like turns me off from makeup. And so when I got this campaign survey, they'll send you like a survey and you'll fill out. I was like, yes. So here it is, Beauty Guard Oil-Free Lash and Brow Shampoo. Look at the package, how nice it is. Let's open it up. It looks like an eraser. And then there's a sample in here too. There's a free shipping code. They have a whole line of products too. Wow, I've never heard of this company. All right, so here's what it looks like. It looks almost like a whiteout. So off on, I'm gonna have to play around with it and see, but that's so cool, right? Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. All right. All right, and then we have one more, and that's the sample source. So these are, this is going to be a bunch of different samples in here. I do want to review for you. I got the L'Oreal Colorista spray. Did you see those? They come in like crazy colors. I have a whole bunch of some beauty reviews I want to do. I just, time is not on my side, guys. So anyway, and you know, daylight hours. It is getting late. It's staying dark later, so I can make videos in the evening, which is really nice. I need to get like a big light. So here it is, comes in this box. I do remember this one having a lot of stuff that I was like, ooh, that sounds really interesting. So I don't remember though. All right, where's my gizmos? All right. All right. They always, this Bona floor cleaner, stone tile laminate floor cleaner. I actually do use this. I have some Pergo downstairs in my dining room. I use this on that. It's decent stuff. Next we have Royal Canin Indoor Adult Cat Food, Feline Health and Nutrition. I had never heard of this brand before, but this cat on the package is super pretty. All right. Next we have Refresh Feminine Odor Eliminating Gel. 3 days of freshness. I've gotten so many of those in these two. All right. Nature's Path Organic Heritage Flakes. Is this a cereal? Oats, spelt, barley, Corsican wheat, kamut, millet, and quinoa. Always organic. Oh, it is. Yeah, it's a cereal. I'm actually interested in trying that because that sounds pretty good and pretty healthy. All right, got some coupons for Personal Pro Cleaning and Royal Canin. Is it Canin or K? Like, it's supposed to be like long A, K9, like, you know, I don't know. It's kind of confusing. So here we have a Personal, this is what I was excited about. These are Pro Clean Power Caps. So these are like dishwasher pods, kind of like Tide Pods. And I think they're like a lot less expensive. Tide Pods are so expensive. And they're also, all of that packaging, like, I don't know, it just seems wasteful to me. But I do want to try these, especially at the price. And then they do, of course, include, don't put them near your kids. We all know that, though. Like, we're living in a different time. All right, so our final item is Welch's Family Farmers Owned Fruit and Yogurt Strawberry Snacks. Okay, so Welch's is like, I always think of as a kid snack. And I haven't, like, I don't look into them or what they're coming out with. I've never seen this before, but this, like, takes Welch's to a whole new, like, adult level. Like, these are adult snacks. I want to try these. So that's everything I got in my box. My free PR. It's not even PR. This is, like, just freebie sites and stuff. So if you're interested in my reviewer page, if you're interested in any of the companies, I'll link to those as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.